What's going on, my people? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video we're going to be talking about most about Bitcoin. It's going to be November tomorrow. Today is October 31st, so happy Halloween if you're celebrating. Make sure you guys stay safe and just get ready for next week and pretty much the whole next month. I'll have to do this Bitcoin updates because it's really helpful. And if you do not follow the Instagram, we also post them on Instagram, but the Instagrams are, I make them quick. Well, we only got 30 seconds. But here on the YouTube, I can make them long. I can explain you guys my thought process. You guys can comment what you guys think. We can talk about it and all that. So let's get in the video right away. If you like videos like this, if you want to learn more about the stock market, the crypto market, if you want to trade with me live every single day, Monday to Friday in the stock market, make sure you hit the links down below. If you learn more about the crypto market, we also have a course. Make sure you just check out all the links down below. Click all the single links, and you'll thank me later. I promise you. I just noticed they got Alex Honnold here, the free climbing guy on the TradingView page. I don't even know why. I don't know what he has to do. I'll probably have how dangerous it is to rock climb. To be a free climber and trading. That's probably why. That's pretty funny. But I'm gonna talk to you guys about Bitcoin real quick, and I'm gonna talk to you guys mostly on the daily time frame. Let's zoom out. Actually, let's go all the way to the monthly time frame, because we know so far we've been pretty accurate with this Bitcoin predictions. If you're following me since pretty much we bought almost that perfect dip. I think let's be honest, it was a perfect dip. Back when we had, when was it, May, June, when we bought that dip during the summer, we pretty much bought that perfect dip. We've been nailing it every single month. But let's talk about October. First of all, what happened in October? In October, we saw this really strong candle. And if you follow along, I've talked about it. October was going to be a really, really strong month for Bitcoin. And, my prediction was that we were going to get rejected on that all-time high level. Which, if we draw our all-time high level or previous all-time high level, because we made a new previous 65,000, I thought we could reject it. We actually kind of shot a little bit past it, and we went all the way up to like 67,000 pretty much. But then we retraced after, so we kind of got that rejection all-time high level. It wasn't like right on it, a little bit past it, but it really trapped up pretty much a lot of longs. A lot of people that were expecting this breakout and to just go boom straight up on leverage, they got liquidated, and that's why I think we got this big retracement to 60,000. But it's fine. I think November will be even a stronger month than October. So I think that November will see potentially move to 83,000 and move back to around the mid 60s, and then another move past the 100,000. That's what I think we'll see in November to December type of mark. I see a move going up to around 83,000 or so. And I'll tell you guys why very soon, and why I think we'll see a move up to 83,000, then retracement back to around the mid 60s to then pushing our move up. If we go back to 2017, right over here, and we can see how, go back zoom out, and we can see 2017 August, strong month, right? Pretty much exactly what we saw this bull run recently. We saw this double bottom June, July, just like we saw in 2021, sorry. Strong month August, instant month, flat month September, just like we saw. October, strong month. November, an even stronger month. If you guys see from October to November, it's almost twice the size, but we did see this dip, and it's very important. So I think we'll start seeing something very similar, since this bull run has been very close to this past bull run over here. But as you guys see this bottom wick here, we actually saw I saw this move up, and then we saw this retracement here back in the mid 5,000s, kind of like making people think, hey, the bull run was over, trapping a lot of shorts this time, then pushing it back up. Closing, what was it, close around 10,000 almost, then boom, another move up, double to 20,000 within the next month. So that is the main reason why I think that we'll see the retracement I'm talking to you guys about. So I think we'll see this retracement up here from the 80s, which I think that'll be our next main target, 83,000. Move down back to mid 60s, make people think that's like, okay, that was pretty much all Bitcoin had in it, but we're not gonna be those people. And boom, again, our next move back up past the 83,000 mark, and then quickly past the $100,000 mark, because in crypto, Bitcoin, guys, things move very, very quick. And I stand by my prediction that in November we'll see within 4 to 6 weeks the price of Bitcoin double. So from November 1st to pretty much what, mid-December, 4 to 8 weeks I'll give it between one, because I think we'll top out towards the end of December. We'll see that it does Bitcoin price, pretty much double. Because once, if you go on another popular website you gotta be using, Google Trends. Like Google Trends, I'm telling you, what does Google Trends have anything to do with Bitcoin? And I'll show you guys. You put in Bitcoin, and then I want to see past 5 years. Now, what do we see here? Look at the Bitcoin trends in when we was at peak of that December, the November to December period in Bitcoin. Like, if you really notice, like the interest wasn't that much for all the way up to like mid-November. It was like barely under 25. That's kind of like where we are right now, and we saw it kind of pick up in the 50s here earlier this year, and then it just massively went to the top. You're pretty much like to the moon, to the 100, and that's what you want to, when you call a blow off top, is that when you see like those type of movements. So once you start seeing a lot more people like getting to Bitcoin, start talking about Bitcoin, you will see when you see the price going up, kind of like what we saw with Shiba Inu. If you would Shiba Inu, once a lot of people start picking it up and start seeing those massive gains, you see the price radically just 2x, 3x, 4x. But just because I think where the price of Bitcoin is out right now, a 2x will be sufficient for this bull run, just because the price is getting so expensive that it's unrealistic to see like a 5 to 10x in the Bitcoin at this point compared to some other smaller cap coins. So that I'll definitely be looking at this. Google Trends is actually like a pretty strong indicator, like timing the you can see, as you guys can see here, we're timing the tops of the market. Now let's zoom in on the daily chart a little more, so we can get more, get more up and personal what's going on recently. So we're setting up on this pretty classic bull flag setup here on the daily time frame. It's zooming closer, and we're trying to really just break this past this all-time high level. And if that happens, honestly, I can see it's my $83,000 is pretty much my prediction for the month. Before we see that pullback to the mid 60s. But if things do get crazy, I would not be surprised if we see a move past 100,000, and then an $80,000 level will be my prediction on when we see that minus 20 to 25% potentially retracement. Because I think we'll definitely see one of those happening, because that's usually what happens when something goes sort of euphoric. There's a big move up, it has a retracement, and then boom, and a big move up. And I think the second big move up that we're gonna see is going to be into the end of December, and a featherweight, and it'll be probably leading into a bear market. So this is pretty much what my prediction is looking like for next month. Of course, we're going to see with these first few days of November, things can really get interesting. We have not seen a weekend pump this past weekend. We actually didn't see a past weekend, but I definitely think it's coming very soon. In this first week of November, we're going to see a lot of movement, a lot of things going on, and I think that this is a time to, if you've not, I talked about this in the last video when we made the October update Bitcoin video, to get into some altcoins, and I've showed you guys. If you're not going back to watch that video where I talk about which altcoins I'm buying, because right now is the time to position yourself in altcoins. Because once the altcoins are pumping, that's when you're going to make a lot of money. You make a lot of money in Bitcoin, sure, but let's be honest, it's going to be a 2 to 3x potentially, where there's a massive amount of money, especially if you have not a lot of money, is to get into the altcoins. So make sure you watch that previous video I made last month about altcoins. If you guys want to see another video like that, talking about more about some other altcoins I'm interested in, some other different ones, even related to the metaverse, when you saw Mana, Ocean, Block, Sand, all these coins pumping even here, which is one I really like on a fundamental standpoint, make sure you leave the comments down below and let me know. So I hope everybody liked this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments, subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.